Alrighty, so we're about to cut out the new plywood for the boat seats. These have to be really, really specific. They have to be exactly like they are right now because of the way, they function on the boat. So I gotta be real careful. We're using 1/2 inch exterior grade plywood, and we're gonna water seal it, so it should last for quite a few years. I'm gonna put a new blade in this jigsaw so we can get a nice smooth cut. And I'll be back later to show y'all more of the progress. Yeah, you can't imagine how many pieces of wood, small little pieces of fucking wood and shit when I had to replace the one on that side 3 times. Look, that bitch right there is rotten as hell. But yeah, we done had to cut so many damn little supports and yeah. I had to make about 15 of these motherfuckers and then had to wood seal them and all of that shit. Ugh. And of course, it would be my luck. I get down to the last 2 little seats, and I'm getting ready to put the fabric on these. I've already made these covers from the other ones. And some more wood, right? I should have been pulled this thing apart, but yeah. I'm gonna replace those boards. This one fell apart. That one's sturdy on that side. I'm still gonna check it out. I'm gonna put another one on that side either. Anyway. Yeah. So, anyway, okie dokie. And just wanted you to see that, yeah, it's a little bit more woodwork than I expected. Some of the smaller pieces kind of, they kind of fell apart when I took the covers off. But like I said, I'm rebuilding everything. I'm gluing the hell out of the joints. I'm putting new screws and all new stainless steel. That's all stainless steel stuff, but yeah, I'm basically having to just go back and make sure that everything is tight and sturdy and put these little pieces back on. And then I'm gonna, while I've got everything exposed, I might as well hit it with a coat of wood sealer just to give you a little more life out of it. But yeah, see, we done went through and put new screws in all the joints and places where it's connecting, and yep, I got you, buddy. Okay, so for those of you who don't know what this involves, yeah, this is the seat part. Everything has to come off. All the pieces have to come off. All the staples got to come out. All of these threads, all these stitches have to be cut loose. Everything has to get straightened out. And a new pattern made from new pieces of vinyl cut from the old pieces. And I want to go on and get this one off because I got to do some work to the wood on the other pieces because some of it kind of fell apart when I pulled the cover off. So I want to go on and pull the cover off the rest of it. So I have me a supply list. I got to go get some stainless steel screws and stuff. And some of the wood might get replaced. Yeah, as a matter of fact, some of it is definitely going to get replaced. But yeah, this is the fun part of upholstery. It actually takes longer. All the work is in dismantling the old stuff, getting new patterns made, new fabric cut out. Sewing it back together is the easy part. all the work to get it ready to be sewed back together. That's where all the work comes in. No. Missy, where you at? Let's go work, girl. Well, shit. I just popped a finger. Another one, I popped that one yesterday.
Cutting out seats.
Now, well, I got that already ready to go. I'm going to drill the holes so that I know that the holes are lined up properly.
I should have got you some more bits while I was out.
No, that's all right. I'm going to finish burning up what I got. Ain't in there straight.
That's it.
Alright, so I'm cutting board number 2, and some of these screws have been apparently JB welded on or something, but anyway, I can't get them out, and I'm not going to tear my wrist up trying to get them out. So what I'm going to do is just take my angle grinder with a cutoff wheel, and I'm going to cut these out because I need to duplicate the hole pattern. And I'm going to get new screws for this anyway, but like I said, they got to come out because I want to be able to lay this board down and mark these holes. So, get that done.